Hi viewers, Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaskaram. You are watching Aha Namma channel. It's full and full education and entertainment. Watch the video carefully and learn it everything.
Hi students, good morning to all. So today we also continue the same polynomials. Fourth question, expand each of the following using suitable identities. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. Question number 3, minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. So already you know that this one which is equal to, you can written as minus in the bracket, so minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z, so this one which is equal to x plus y plus z a whole square. So one by one we need to find out the value, what is x and what is y and what is z. Next we move on to the expansion. So x which is equal to minus 2x, y which is equal to 3y and z equal to 2z. So already you know what is the expansion of x plus y plus z whole square. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So this is the expansion for x plus y plus z whole square. So now directly you have to substitute the value of x, y, z and you need to expand it. So minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. So x square in the sense minus 2x the whole square, y square in the sense 3y the whole square and z square 2z the whole square. So 2xy in the sense 2 into x into y. So 2 into minus 2x into minus 3y. So in the same way 2yz, 2 into 3y into 2z. So 2zx, 2 into 2z into minus 2x. So now you need to square and you have to multiply and find out the expansion form. If you have to square the value of minus 2x, minus become plus. How it is possible? Minus into minus plus. 2 2s are 4. X you have to square it, you get x square. So minus 2x become 4x square. The same way 3y. So 3 square 9 and y square is y square. 9y square. And the 2z become 4z square. So now you need to multiply as usual. So first you need to compare the symbol. Plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. So the whole value become negative. So minus into plus, minus. So now you go with the numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. X into y, xy. So minus 12y, 12xy. The same way here all the values are positive. So it become plus. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 12yz. Here you compare plus into plus plus, minus. So inside of the bracket minus is there, minus into plus, minus. So now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Is it into x? Is it x? Now what is the value? 4x square plus 9y square plus 4z square minus 12xy plus 12yz minus 8xz for the expansion of the given question, minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. So next we move on to fifth question. Fourth question, do it as a homework. So fifth question is also is equal to the previous third one. So first you need to write like this, minus 2x in a separate bracket because it is in a negative, and plus 5y plus in plus of 3z because z have negative value. So directly you know that what's the identity is this. So x plus y plus z, you know the expansion, and directly the value of x which is equal to minus 2x, y 5y, z is minus 3z. So as usual the previous question you have to substitute it like this, minus 2x 5y and 2 into minus 2x into 5y, 2 into 5y into minus 3z, 2 into minus 3z into minus 2x. Now if minus become minus into minus plus, and 2 become 2 2s are 4, x become x square, so 4x square, and 5 become 25, y become y square, so 4x square 25y square. So this one become minus into minus plus. So 3 3s are 9 z square. So now plus into minus minus. So totally you get minus. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. As the same way, plus into plus plus minus. So minus into plus minus. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, y z. So here plus into minus minus, but minus into minus plus. So inside of the bracket whole value become plus. So plus into plus plus. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, zx. So therefore the value of minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square, which is equal to 4x square plus 25y square plus 9z square minus 20xy minus 30yz plus 12zx. Next we move on to the next question, sixth question. So the sixth question, 1 by 4 a minus 1 by 2 b plus 1 the whole square. So this one is also equal to, you had written as 1 by 4a plus minus 1 by 2b plus 1 the whole square. So this one, it is equal to x plus y plus z whole square. So the expansion already you know that. So 1 by 1 you write the value x equal to, you take 1 by 4a is equal to x. The same way minus 1 by 2b you consider as y, and y you consider as z. So normally you substitute the value and expand it. So like this, x square means 1 by 4 a whole square plus y square minus 1 by 2 b whole square, and z square means 1. So 2 into x into y, 2 into 1 by 4 a plus minus 1 by 2 b. So y is at 2 into minus 1 by 2b into 1. So zx 2 into 1 by 4 a. So as usual method, you need to square it. Here fraction method, in a fraction you need to square both numerator and denominator. So 1 by 4 become 1 by 16 and a become a square. So minus become, already I told, minus into minus it become plus. So 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 1 by 4 b square. If you square 1 you get 1 only. Minus, so first you need to compare the symbol, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. Now you need to multiply the numerator. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 4 2s are 8. So 2 by 8 is the value, a into b, ab. As the same, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, minus into outside plus, minus only, minus. 2 1s are 2 into 1 you get 2. So denominator only 2. So as the same, 2 into 1 2, denominator 4 and only a. So here you see the value, you should cancel it. You supposed to cancel it. 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, and 2 become cancelled, and 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So now the value it becomes 1 by 16 a square plus 1 by 4 b square plus 1. So here minus 1 by 4 ab minus 1, 2 cancel means 1, so you take b only. So 1 into b. So plus 1 by 2 a. So this is the final answer. So next one, fifth Roman letter, factorize. 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. So in a previous sum, they are given in the short form. You need to expand. So here they are given in expansion method. You need to factorize. So by comparing the previous question, you know that what is the expansion is this. So this one, which is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. By comparing each term, you find out the value of x, y, z, and you know to find out how to factorize it. Okay, so here x square, y square, z square. So by comparing x square, which is equal to 4x square, y square which is equal to 9y square, z square which is equal to 16z square. So you need to find out the value of x, y and z. So x which is equal to root of 4x square, y equal to root of 9y square, z equal to root of 16z square. So already you know that 4 is the squaring of 2. So x square is squaring of x. So x is equal to 2x. In the same way 9, it should be 3. So y square become y. So 4 4s are 16. 4z. So you have a value 2x plus 3y plus 4z. And you need to compare the question. So here these two values have negative. Because all the values are positive means you no need to bother about if you have two terms in negative. So that's why you see in these two values which letter is common? Z is a common one. So if you take a square root, all the value become plus or minus 2x, plus or minus 3y and plus or minus 4z. But in this condition, z become negative only. Z become negative. So how you can written? So x square plus y square, you know the short form x plus y plus z the whole square. You know the value of x, y and z, it should be minus 4z. So the answer is 2x plus 3y. Z become minus means minus 4z the whole square. Okay, you need to split like 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z. Otherwise this is the factors. Okay, next we move on to second question. Second question, 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. So already you know that what is the expansion. So this is the identities which is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So how it is, what is the short form, what is the factorization? So before that we need to compare the value of x square, y square and z square. X square which is equal to 2x square, y square equal to y square and z square equal to 8z square. If you take square root of this, so you can written as x which is equal to square root of 2x square and y which is equal to square root of y square and z which is equal to square root of 8z square. If 2 is not a squaring number, so we can't take square root for that. So 2 can be written as root 2 only. But x square in the sense x into x, you take only 1 out. So the value of x is root 2x. The same way y square can be written as y into y. Already I told that by using square root you take 1 out of 2. So y square can be y into y, so we have to take only 1. The same way 8z square. 8z square, how we can written as? So if you take normal division method, otherwise 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. So 4 you take it as 2 as a square root and 2. So otherwise directly go with 2 table. 4 2s are 8 and then 2 2s are 4, 1. Already I told 2 taken 1 out. So this 2, 1 taken out, but this one should be in a root. So 2 root 2 and z square means we can written as z. How it become 2 root 2? So 3 2 is there. For square root we have to take 1 out of 2. So out of this 2 I have to take 1 and remaining 1 2 is there. So I written like this, square root 2 and z square can be written as z. So now we get the value of x, y and z. Now again you compare the question. So minus 2 root 2 xy minus 8xz. So this two terms having negative. In this two term, which one having a common letter variable? X is common. So the negative value becomes x only. So x we take minus root 2 x square. So you know that the short form, the factorization is x plus y plus z the whole square. So the question you can written as, so now you know the value of x. X we take it as minus root 2x and y plus y and then z plus 2 root 2 z whole square. So this one can be written as in the splitting form, minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2x into minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z. So you have to split it. And next we move on to the Roman letter 6. So 6th Roman, write the following cubes in expanded form. So you know that the cube. So first question is 3 by 2x plus 1 the whole cube. So already we given, write the following cubes in expanded form. So this is cubes. What is the form identities it suitable for? So it should be x plus y the whole cube. So 3 by 2 x plus 1 whole cube, it is equal to x plus y the whole cube. So this one can be written as x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Otherwise 3x square y plus 3xy square. So here what is the value of x? 3 by 2x and the value of y is 1. We take it as x and y value and directly you need to substitute. So 3 by 2x whole cube plus 1 and 3xy. So 3 into x into y. So 3 into x value 3 by 2x into y value 1 and x plus y 3 by 2x plus 1. And so before that you have to square it in the same way. You need to cube the value of both numerator and denominator. So 3 you need to cube means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 2 you have to cube, the value is 8. X cube. 1 it becomes 1. So 3 3s are 9 plus 1. So divided by 2 x and 3 by 2 x plus 1. So the answer is 27 by 8 x cube plus 1 plus 9 by 2 x into 3 by 2 x plus 1. Otherwise you can written as, you should multiply this value. So 27 by 8 x cube plus 1 plus 9 3s are 27 by 2 2s are 4 x plus 9 by 2 x, because 1 into anything you get the same value. So this is the expanded form of cube, expanded form of 3 by 2 x plus 1 the whole cube. Now we move on to the next question. Now the fourth question, x minus 2 by 3 y the whole cube. So this one which is equal to x minus y the whole cube. So expansion is x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3x y square. So we take x the value, x equal to x and y equal to 2 by 3 y. Directly as usual method you have to substitute it. So x cube, x whole cube minus y cube 2 by 3 y the whole cube minus 3 into x square y. So 3 into x square into y value is 2 by 3 y plus 3x y the whole square. So 3 into x into y value is 2 by 3 y whole square. So now 1 by 1 x can be cube, you get the same value and you should cube the value of 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 8. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So y become y cube. So here 3 2s are 6 divided by 3 x square y. The same way here I need to square it. So 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So here it should be square only. So 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 y square. So now you need to cancel it. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. So the value x cube minus 8 by 27 we can't simplify. So 8 by 27 y cube minus 2x square y. So here you need to multiply plus 12 by 9 x y square. So 12 by 9 in the sense it can be divisible by 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So the final answer we had written as x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 2x square y plus 4 by 3 x y square. So this is the expansion, cube expanded form of x minus 2 by 3 y the whole cube. Next we move on to Roman letter 7. Evaluate the following using suitable identities. So 998 the whole cube. Already I told it should be squaring value or cube value. First we need to know the round off. So 998 it's nearest to 1000. So how many it's reduced? 2. So 998 it can be written as 1000 minus 2 the whole cube. 1000 minus 2 the whole cube in the sense x minus y the whole cube. X minus y the whole cube. So this is the expansion, already you know that. So what is the value of x? X we take it as 1000 and y we take it as 2. And next what the procedure? Direct substitution. X cube 1000 cube minus y cube, it should be 2 cube, and 3 into x square y, 3 into 1000 square into y, the value is 2, and 3 into 1000 into y square, it should be 2 square. So now we substitute all the values. So 1000 cube how you can written as 1000 into 1000 into 1000. So already I told, if the number ends with zeros, square in the sense how many zeros you have to double it. For example 30, you need to square means 30 becomes 6 zeros. So now you need to triple. So 30 becomes 9 zeros. So what the value for 1000 cube is? 1000 into 1000 into 1000, you get 100 crore. And the same way 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, it should be 8. And 1000 square you get 10 lakh. So 10 lakh, and then here 2 2s are 4. So the value, it should be 100 crore minus 8, 3 into 10 lakh into 2, 3 into 1000 into 4. So 10 lakh. So 10 lakh means 1 into 10 lakh, 10 lakh, 2 into 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 30 lakh, 40 lakh, like that. So 3 into 10, 30. 30 into 2, 60. So this one becomes 60 lakhs. So here 3 4s are 12. So 1 into 1000, 1000, 2 into 1000, 2000, 4 into 1000, 4000, 10 into 1000, 10,000. The same way 4 3s are 12. 12 into 1000, 12,000. The value is 100 crore minus 8 minus 60 lakh plus 12,000. So you should add and subtract all of this. For example, here minus 8 minus 60 lakhs, it become minus 60 lakhs 8. So 68 lakhs not 60 lakhs 8. And then it should be 100 crore 12,000. 100 crore 12,000. So you should subtract these two values. You get 99 crore 40 lakhs 11,919. So this is the value of the cube 998. So 1000 minus 2, you get 998. You have to solve this all the value, add or subtract normally. You get 99 crore 40 lakhs 11,992. So I have to attach the worksheet on the basis of these questions. You have to do that on the day itself. Thank you.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.